Orthodontic movement is a totally natural process. Our teeth move naturally throughout life. As you know, your teeth came into your mouth. You feel like they grew, but we call that erupting. As the structures change, as muscles change, as we grow up, all of that affects movement of teeth. So orthodontic treatment is exactly the same process. It is slight pressures on teeth that cause them to move through the bones. We create light pressures through the use of elastics, through the use of very flexible elastic wires. So orthodontic treatment is a natural process.